Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a famous celebrity that belongs to acting. She is a famous actress with a net worth of $250 million. Well, how do we say her name correctly? We may pronounce it as Nicole Kidman. Nicole Kidman. Nicole Kidman. Nicole Kidman. Nicole Kidman is an award-winning actress with numerous accolades, including an Academy Award and several Golden Globes. She is recognized for her talent and dedication to her craft. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.